What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Warzone game tag or whatever tag you want, whether it's PlayStation or whether it's PC. As you can see, I'm on my this is my PlayStation, but I play on PC. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to be putting a symbol in mine too. So I'm going to be getting a symbol from i2symbol.com. But what we're gonna go ahead and do is log into your account and go to basic info. Right here has your Activision ID, edit, and I have 2 remaining changes, so I can change it to whatever I want. So I'm gonna change mine to no special characters. Maybe it'll let me use this one. Yeah, get that one works. So yeah, go ahead and change that. And if this video helped you, then please like and subscribe. Show support. That would help my channel a lot. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.